things getting banned is nothing new for Indians. Books, banned. Movies, banned. Alcohol, also banned in Gujarat. We love banning so much that sometime back even currency notes were banned. And now, it's a beef ban. The central government has banned slaughtering certain cattle like cows, female adult, docile in nature; bulls, male adult, capable of mating, aggressive in nature; bullocks, male adult, not capable of mating, used to plow fields; steers, neutered bulls, but docile; heifers, young female; calves, a common name for young males and females; buffaloes, wild bulls called water buffaloes in India; and camels. How did we get mixed up in all this? Beef has been banned under the guise of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act. Is it really to protect animals? Then what about goats and hens? Save us from slaughter too. If cows are not slaughtered, does anything change?
For the first 2 years, I'm a heifer. Once I start giving milk, everybody loves me. But that only lasts 4 years.
After that, it is sold for leather or meat because it can't produce milk anymore. I would use that money to buy another cow. But with this new rule, I will have to look after the cow for 5 to 10 more years even though it gives me no milk. The biggest losers really are farmers. Other losers are the exporters of meat. India overtook Brazil in 2014 to become the world's largest exporter of buffalo meat. India's leather exports are worth approximately $6 billion every year. They too stand to lose. As do restaurants. If cattle slaughter is illegal, how will restaurants that are famous for beef dishes get meat to cook? States decide on livestock issues. And many like West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Pondicherry, Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland are not implementing this rule. Dear Prime Minister Modi ji, please repeal this rule. Dalits will suffer as beef is their main source of protein and employment. Each cattle will now need their own version of Aadhaar card or birth certificate. How will the poor and illiterate do this paperwork? Pinarayi Vijayan, Kerala Chief Minister. The byproducts of this law has led to individuals and cow rakshaks taking the law into their own hands and killing innocent people. Is a human life worth less than the life of cattle now? Like Donald Trump's travel ban in America, India's beef ban is not a well thought out law, which only seeks to appease some and discriminate against others. Haven't Indians grown up enough to know what to eat or read or watch? When will all these bans stop? Can't we just ban these bans? BizBo's Limerick. India has now banned beef, causing foodies and exporters lots of grief. But the ban's a sham because they haven't banned ham. Will the government now extend an olive leaf?
If you like this video, share it with your friends and become BizBo's friend by subscribing for free to BizBo's YouTube channel. Come, let's discover the world together.